Figured I'd do a quick little video. I know the yard's a mess, but we got Rascal and we got Arden. Ha, Arden. Ha, boy. And Laci. Huh. Arden. Arden loves the snow, don't you, Arden? There's Rascal. Rascal being a good boy. You being a good boy. What? Oh, what? Oh, what? Oof. What? What? Laci. Ah, Laci. Rascal. Ha. Ha. Arden. Arden. Come here. Arden. Rascal. Rascal. Huh. You good boy. Rascal. Rascal. Arden and Lanny have been working, before Lanny left, been working on this basketball. They got it all tore up. Rascal likes to play with it. Huh. Get it. Oh, well, yeah. Arden does too. Got it, Arden? Laci and Rascal are like, yeah.